What's going on, guys? Yes, it's me. Yes, we're back. And yes, it's another live trade review. So, guys, today was a sick day, bro. Nothing else to say about it. Really good day. Caught that Netflix rip on the build of 445 up into 450, 451. Caught a little bit of NVIDIA on that very first move of the day. And now I'm looking at Tesla, guys. I'm looking at Tesla. So coming into today, team, I was looking at longs. That's what I wanted because dumped 2 days in a row. We gapped down. I was looking for longs. But there weren't that many available. So Netflix and NVIDIA were basically the two long setups that I saw available. And so I took those. And once I took those and I saw them starting to reject, so Netflix rejecting that 450, NVIDIA rejecting the top of that range, then I started looking for shorts, and Tesla was the move for me, guys. Tesla was the move for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started on this thing. I guess I should pull up my P&L first from the Twitter here. Here's my Twitter account, guys. I hope you follow me. If you don't, and definitely give me a follow. I just do market commentary, post-trade shit, and weed stuff. So fucking give me a follow. Give me a follow. Let's have a chat, man. I wanna learn more about what you guys are up to. So here we go. 2 hours ago, another day, another dollar. Think it's gonna get choppy. Just a feeling I have based on that tape. So I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day. Cool. So this is it, $898. So $67 on NVIDIA, $206 on Netflix. And then we're about to see this $624 Tesla gain here in a second. But this is what we're working with, guys. Remember, I'm trading with a tiny account, right? I started with 5K, then 6K. Now I'm up to 8K. So I went ahead and actually pulled out a couple grand because, you know what, man? If I can make $900 and $1,000 in a day with a 5K account, 6K account, then why the fuck do I need anything else? You know what I mean? I don't. I'm just going to blow my shit up. So I'm going to hang out here, man, pull out my profits, and buy a fucking house, dude. Saving up for that down payment, bro. With trading profits, literally trading profits over the last 2 weeks, guys. I'm over halfway to paying, to having the down payments together that I need to get a house. So I'm telling you, man, this trading shit is fucking epic, bro. It's epic. All right. Well, that's not including the taxes I'm going to have to pay on this shit. But that's another story. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this away, and let's get into this video here, guys. So coming into it, we're watching Tesla. You can see I'm up here. I'm getting ready to pull up a couple of Tesla puts here. I think I went for the 770s. Yeah, awesome. So I went ahead and pulled them up there, getting ready to enter the position. So I'm looking at Tesla here. I saw this move up over 790, rejecting. Now it's rejecting that 780. And so now what I want to do is see how much room has it got to go down before it rejects before the main move, right? So I'm checking out this 15-minute Bali. I see 767. So I'm like, okay, we basically got 10 points to go from where we're at right now. What I need to see is I need to see a retest of this 780. I need to see a fail. And once I see that, I'm pretty comfortable hopping in short here. So you see me clicking on here, getting ready for my hotkeys to come in. And now, guys, I'm just aggressively watching this tape. What do we see? We see a bidder here at 776, right? What's happened? What's the reaction? We're about to see. Looks like we pop. Cool. So we pop up a bit. We get a couple higher fills in those 50s, 30s, 34s. So we're getting a bit of strength here off that 776 bid. Sweet. I like it. I like it. So I'm just adjusting the size of the sizes I want to be able to see. A lot of people trade $1,000 contract sizes instead of 2K on Tesla because obviously it's expensive as fuck. So that's why I made that adjustment over there. See, we come back up here, testing that 780 again here. Let's see if we can pull back down, giving back up that 778. So see, guys, we're pulling up that 778. Then we're retaking it with a little bit of size. And now we're about to dump back under it again. So once we pull back under that 778, I believe that is where I get a bit of confidence to start getting into this put position. But like you guys can see, we're popping up. We're moving aggressively up into 780, 782. So what's going to happen here? Okay, so we moved into that 782. Looks like we don't want to break through that 782. Looks like we're back down into those 780s, coming in with a bit of size over here on the selling side. Remember, guys, I'm just sitting here watching a bit of tape. I'm looking for the 780 to fail. I'm looking for this thing to start tracking right back down. I'm looking for offers to start showing up. I'm looking for big bids to get absolutely wiped out in single orders. Okay, that's all the stuff that I'm looking for right here. There you go. Went ahead and got in after we failed that 780. In with only one position for now, or one lot. And there you go, got my second fill there. So now, guys, watching this tape aggressively, let's see sellers push this thing down. Now, this 77 level was very, very important, guys. We were battling over it for a good minute. You can see here that 77 level was quite a point during that pre-market there for the first hour or two, right? So this was important to me, and I'm scared when I'm trading Tesla, guys, okay? I trade Tesla scared. Why do I trade Tesla scared? Because this thing will squeeze shorts like nothing has ever squeezed shorts, right? So whenever I trade Tesla, I'm pretty light-fingered in terms of taking my profits. You guys see I'm in here with 2 contracts. That's so that as soon as this thing starts flushing that 777 level, I'm going to start getting out, okay? So let's keep watching. Let's see what happens. They're building bids at 777, but we've flushed through them right into those 776s, looking for those offers to come down under. Nice. There we go. So offers starting to come down underneath that 777. Oh, back over and back under. See, this guy is what it's all about. Like, we're wrestling in these levels, okay? Looking at that 776 fail here. And there you go. Moving down. Offers moving down pretty aggressively. But you guys see, man, every time they move this stock down, they're popping it right back up, right? We see big size there on 776. That gives me a bit of confidence to hold this thing down for a little bit more of a move. There you go, guys. You can see, too, as well, even when we print green, we're seeing our bids move down, right? So went ahead, got out of one position here, seen a little bit of strength back into that 777 area. But, guys, every single time we pop up and we get these bids, we're seeing them slapped right back down with aggressive selling, guys. And that is what we're looking for when we're hitting a short position. When we're in a long position, we're looking for the opposite, right? We're looking for bids to build and offers to get slapped. So this is what we're looking at. We're looking at the actual exchanging and transfer of shares here. We're watching every order that comes in on Tesla, guys, is right here in front of you. What else do you need? Do you know what I mean? I have a fucking shitload of indicators on here because they give me good areas for selling. They let me know if I'm in chop or outside of chop. But when it comes down to what makes stocks move, what makes price action, guys, it is all about the price action. It's all about the buying, the selling, your time and sales, your level 2 reading that tape. Okay, so you see we're coming down, testing those pre-market lows here. I'm feeling pretty comfortable holding here. What I'm watching for now is to make sure that the option does not decay in value when this pulls back against me. If we can hold the value of the option when it pulls against you, that means we're looking for a further move. So that's why I'm pretty happy, pretty comfortable holding this. So I'm looking at 766, 768 as an area for me to get out. I know it's going to reject that 15-minute BB anyway. So I want to make sure, because it's the first time it's testing it, right? So I want to make sure that I go ahead and get out of my runner down there. I can always add back in if I'm interested in continuing with the trades, but honestly, guys, after this trade, I just took off for the day. Like I made almost $900, in 30 minutes. Like I'm gonna walk, There we go, coming down to that 770. We're looking to flush through there aggressively with these offers showing up nice and heavy. See 770, lots of size sitting there on that 770. Are we gonna be able to push through here? And right there, guys, moving right through aggressively, right down into 760s, okay, 768s. This is where I start getting ready to get out of this position. Man, what a day. What a day. It's Thursday. We got one more day left in the week. Friday is usually really good or really bad, so I'm excited to see what happens tomorrow. You see me there covering my last put there, 17.35. This thing moves down another $2 or $3, but if you guys check your charts, what happens as soon as this thing touches 765? We squeezed all the way back to 785. All right. This is what I'm talking about with Tesla. I trade scared. I take my money and I run, and I have a good rest of my day because I'm not stressed that Tesla is going to rip me to shreds. Also, they're expensive fucking options, guys. Look at this. I bought these options for $12.33. Okay? That's a lot of money when you're trading a tiny account, right? So two of these is, what's that, 30? That's $2,400 is what I put into this. I've only got a 6K account. You know what I mean? That's almost 50% of my account value that I put into that trade. So that's the thing you have to consider when you're trading Tesla, Amazon, SPX, all those kind of higher priced, more volatile stocks. But otherwise, guys, that's it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions? You know what the deal is, man. Comment below. Hit me up on Twitter. If you guys like this video, like the video, please. It would be awesome. Subscribe. Do whatever you got to do. Comment. But yeah, man, I hope everyone's being nice and safe. Remember, guys, this market is fucking stupid. People are getting slaughtered left and right. We need to be nimble. We need to be quick. We need to take our money off the table. Every day we show up and all we want to do is just take a little bit of money. Just take a little bit of money. Dude, you are a fucking human being, bro. You deserve your slice of cash from this capitalistic machine, which is literally ruining your life, right? We can get into capitalism is the greatest, what is it, economy ever, or it's the greatest theoretical or hypothetical practice ever. But one, bro, this is not capitalism, right? Capitalism would be a fair market for all. Capitalism is not socialism for those fucking Boeing and big ass aircraft companies and all these other shitty companies who bought back all their stock and now they can't afford to fucking make it through the coronavirus. They're getting a bailout. That's not fucking capitalism, bro. Those companies need to fucking fail. Though they need to go bankrupt. Those CEOs need to get kicked the fuck out. That board needs to get fucking crushed, and somebody needs to take on that company, rebrand it, and do a better fucking job. That is capitalism, bro. That's not what this shit is. This shit is consumerism. That is what we are living in. We are living in a consumerist, just fucking society where they want you to buy some shit. Man, I just made $900 and all I want to do is go and buy it, spend that shit on something stupid, bro. Because that's what they do to you. That's what they do to you. So you, my friend, fucking deserve to take your money out of this machine too. And that's what we're doing here. We're taking our slice of the pie, bro. That's it. That's what we're doing. So again, guys, have a great rest of your day, man. Hopefully tomorrow comes and we crush it. Friday is lotto day. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Really, it's just a fucking flip of the coin. But hopefully we'll read that tape, man, and we'll walk out with some more gains. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, bro. Bye.